Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap. It is Thursday, June 16th, just after the New York close here. If we just take a quick look, getting right into it, micro oil. We opened below the close, had some sideways action, and then selling stepped in, and then the buyer stepped in right out of that HVA edge. Remember, these edges are given to our students the night before their next day's trading endeavor. If you're interested in getting them on your charts, we'll talk about that later. But you can see it blew through it all the way up, came back down, hit that edge again, boom, hit it again, boom, and brought it up even higher back above the close from yesterday. Now, gold opened, and it had a kind of had a lackadaisical move after it opened. It did have some of that initial buying, but for the most part, it just went sideways for a good couple hours. And then it just kind of just melted on its way up. But again, you can see the response at those levels in gold. And we also finished net positive in gold as well. Now, we definitely finished net down in our equities. ES over here, if I could just scroll back for you, you can see it opened below the close, had some initial selling. A buyer stepped in, brought it back up, attempting to bring it into its range from yesterday, but they just could not get there. Seller, sorry, not that seller, but those buyers got stuffed. The seller stepped in and brought this thing down. And for the most part, they never really made it any higher. They just melted around here and kept on going. A lot of back and forth and choppiness, but for the most part, it was a downward slope ever so slightly. And we did finish net down for the day. Now, NASDAQ also opening up below its close from the prior day, but within an HVA edge. Regardless of that, we had initial buying pretty much at the open of the market with that seller, big sellers stepping in. You can see they tried to bring it up again, but ultimately brought it down. Got some action at an HVA edge as it was not outside the contract range at that moment. Actually, we got quite a bit of action around that edge. If you just take a gander there, several entries were taken by some students, and it came back again just before lunch to be hit once more. You can see they really just fought this tooth and nail, and then they just gave up, and the sellers started taking over again. But then they had a rally not too long ago, driving that price back up. But really no avail. They didn't get above the close from yesterday, so we are finishing down on this day as well in the NASDAQ. Again, if you are interested in finding out more information about these HVAs, these high volume areas that you see on the charts, how you trade them with our methodology, or if you're interested in learning how to trade futures in general, doesn't matter if you have any experience or you do have experience, we teach them all. But you are more than welcome to check us out. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with the representative at either location. They'll be able to show you into the rooms, and you'll see what we do on the daily, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. Look forward to seeing you there.